Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix you do not have permission to access error in Windows 7, 8 and 10. Right-click C Drive. Click Properties. Click Security tab. Click Edit. Click Add. Click Advanced. Click Find Now. Find Everyone. Click Add. Click OK. Check all allow access. Click API. OK. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.